So builders are picking up steam again. But wait, haven't rates been high and buyers tapped out? Something doesn't add up here. Let me show you what's really going on and why this little shift might actually be a big deal for you. Hey friends, it's Michael Vrlaku. I've been in residential lending for over 20 years, helped thousands of families get into homes, and I spend most of my time helping folks who are either buying a place or trying to sell one without an agent, what we call FSBO. Now, I'm not here to hype up the market or scare you. That's not my style. I'm here to talk to you like I would if we were having coffee and you said, "Hey, Mike, should I wait or is something actually happening right now?" Let's break it down. Last month, builders started spending more again, about 0.7% more than the month before. Nothing crazy, but after a slowdown, that's a noticeable uptick. But before you get too excited, more construction doesn't always mean cheaper homes. A lot of people assume that when builders build, prices drop. Not exactly. Most builders are still focused on homes that make them a profit, not necessarily affordable ones. Bottom line, this shows us builders are starting to feel a little more confident, but they're not racing ahead. They're dipping a toe back in the water, not cannonballing in. Okay, this one's interesting. The 30-year fixed mortgage rate dropped just slightly to around 6.65%. Not a big drop, but it's just enough to get people off the fence, and that includes builders. A small drop like that may not seem like much, but in this market, even little changes can open doors for people. Thinking about buying later this year? Now's a good time to start prepping, not panicking. Get your credit in shape, understand what you can actually afford, and talk to someone, like me, who can guide you through your options. Inventory, the number of homes available for sale, is up about 17% from last year. That's a good sign. But it doesn't mean you can just walk in and name your price. We're still not back to where we were pre-pandemic. There are more options now, sure, but demand is still strong and sellers haven't exactly started slashing prices. So if you're house hunting, that extra inventory might give you a little more breathing room, but it's not a fire sale. Here's what I want you to remember. This isn't about trying to win the market. It's about making a move that feels right for you. Whether you're looking to buy, thinking about selling FSBO, or just curious about where things are headed, what matters most is what's going on in your life, not just in the headlines. Maybe now's your time, maybe you wait. Either way, I'm here when you're ready. If this helped clear things up a bit, do me a favor, like the video, subscribe if you're into these kinds of updates, and send this to someone you care about who's thinking about buying or selling. And hey, drop any questions in the comments. I actually check them. Catch you next time.